guys! Hello, here I am. So today I'm doing a perfume declutter, which is why I am in my front porch. I really just don't want to stink up the entire house. So I've got 10 perfumes that are questionably old. I kinda just want to spray them, see which ones have totally gone into a disgusting fermented mess of alcohol. So I'm going to spray them just on little bits of paper here, and we're gonna see which ones are still good. The first one I have is from Avon. I have no idea what it's called, what it's supposed to smell like, but it's got a cute little charm on it. So I'm just going to give that a little spray. And this one, it smells really fruity. That's probably going to be the bulk of these. I pretty much only get perfume that smells fruity. But this one is still good, and I do think this was one of the newer ones that I got. So it's a recent purchase, like within the last 3 years, I think. So this one's definitely still good. The next one I have is called See Through. Really cool. Like I'm gonna keep this for decoration even if it has gone bad. But it's got little glass beads in the bottom, and it's in a see-through bottle. I think I need to spray that one again. I can't really tell. This one I am unsure of. This one is from the dollar store of all places. This one is one of those, they do like cheap dupes. So this one I'm not really expecting to be good. Let's try it. Oh, no. This is a no. Next up, this one is a body spray, but I'm a little concerned because it's starting to discolor. This is Outspoken by Fergie. This is an Avon collab. This is literally like one of my favorite scents of all time ever. So I'm gonna I've got a solid perfume version of this that I already checked, and that one's still good. This one smells like it's turning. So I think I'm just gonna toast it because it is not, it still smells like the perfume, but it definitely does not smell that good anymore. The Outspoken perfume. So that one before was just the body spray. This one is the actual perfume, and it comes in a really pretty black bottle. I don't think Avon even carries this anymore, so if it's toast, and that's really unfortunate because it's my favorite perfume of all the perfumes. Oh, surprisingly, the perfume is still good. I don't want to get rid of this. I'm not ready yet. Still good. These are like giant tiger Britney Spears dupes. So this one is Fabulous Night. And this one, unlike the dollar store versions, don't say which ones they're a dupe of, and I don't know what the Britney Spears perfumes are. Okay, this is actually still really good. That doesn't even smell a little bit like it's going off. This one I've had for, this one and its twin here, I've had for about 2 to 3 years now, so these are still newer. Check this guy here, Golden Delight. Ooh, that's very nice. This one is like a bright citrusy with apple kind of scent. So this one I've had for about, I want to say 5 years. This is the Ibiza Soul by Marc. Okay, that one's still good. The spicy in it is coming out a little more, but it isn't dying. I'm surprised. This used to be one of my favorites too. I've had this one for almost 10 years now, so honestly, I'll be really shocked if this one still smells good. This is the Diesel Plus Plus. I honestly only bought this one because it came in a box that had cow print on it, because it's supposed to look like a milk bottle. It smells like sweet milk, like sweet cream. Like, it's not at all what you would expect from a perfume called Diesel, and it's still good. And last but not least, the Chupa Chupa I Love Me perfume. This was my very first perfume. I got this with my own money that I saved up when I was 13 years old. And I am now 28 years old. So that should, without me having to do the math, tell you how old this is. Spray this this one does not smell good anymore. So I kind of want to empty it out and save this bottle because this is kind of like a special perfume. It's special, you know? And I've come to the conclusion that this is also not good anymore. So this is what I am not keeping. Pardon the extension cord. Hello, dog. And these are all the ones that I am keeping. So that's really good. And I'm gonna try to use them up in order of how old they are. So when I put them away, I'll probably line them up so that I'm using, because as much as I don't want to use this all up so quickly because it's my favorite, it's gonna go bad soon and I want to actually enjoy it. So I'm gonna use probably this one up first, and then this one, and this one, and then these three, the little round bottles, are all still new enough that I'm not really concerned about their well-being. Well, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. There are only so many things I can declutter at one time, guys, so I know you all love my declutters. But, you know, that I'm gonna do them anytime I can. I'll let you guys know. I really like doing the declutters. See you in the next one.